Where we're heading?
We're headed down the 100 highway, headed to the Loveless Cafe, headed to the Loveless Cafe. Thank you, folks.
Good morning, everyone. All right, so we are heading down Highway 100. We are on our way to the Loveless Cafe. Opened its doors in 1951 by Lon and Annie Loveless. They would fry up batches of fried chicken and biscuits, and they would serve it to hungry travelers. We've had lunch there before and it was excellent, but we had a couple of our followers recommend that we try breakfast. So we are on our way there.
At the Loveless Cafe, they have quite a few things you can do here. They have the Loveless Hams and Jams Country Market. You got the Outfitter and Gift Store. There's a barn here if you want to do any type of get-together. Obviously, you need to give them a call. But it's a great place to stop if you're in the Nashville area. The breakfast and the lunch and the supper and every other meal that you might possibly eat here is delicious.
Okay, so the Loveless Cafe is famous for their biscuits, and if you want to zoom down here so you can see, they're complimentary and they serve them with their preserves. They are absolutely delicious. We bought some of their preserves the last time we was here, and that is all gone.
I got the pecan waffle with bacon, extra crispy, and they did it perfectly.
Let's see what you got there. That looks yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, so I got the chicken and biscuit and the home-styled potatoes. I'm gonna put a little bit of the peach preserve on mine, and I can't wait to try it. Okay, so what do you think of the waffle?
I'm eating.
It's
delicious. Absolutely delicious.
My chicken biscuit is absolutely delicious. I love it. It's so good. To have 5 tries.
Well, that's my first try.
Okay. Oh, that was a close one. Alright, I think your tries are up. Oh, wow. Wow, he got it.
And one other thing, if you're in a hurry and you don't have time to stop for breakfast or lunch or dinner here, which I can't see that being possible, if you just want to get some gas next door at the gas station, they sell the Loveless biscuits there as well. So this area right here used to be hotel rooms. There was a hotel built here, and that's what it was for a very long time for travelers along Highway 100.